Alright, here's one that's going to take all afternoon. 8 over x plus 5 minus 4 over x plus 5, all over 7 over 5 minus x plus 6 over x minus 5. Holy cow. First off, notice the way I wrote it looks just so much nicer than the way they wrote it. Theirs is really cluttered. Mine is nice and spread out. We can see what's going on. So please, consider that. Second off, this is a beast. I've got stuff going on up there, stuff going on down here. I'm not up for handling this. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take all four of my denominators, x plus 5, x plus 5, 5 minus x, and x minus 5, and try and find an LCD, something that they all go into. I know it's definitely going to have x plus 5 in it. And then I got to look at these guys. If you remember, I showed you a trick with this. 5 minus x is the same thing as negative x plus 5. And if I factor a negative 1 out, I'm going to be left with x minus 5. And if you need to say, did I do that right? I don't know. Well, you don't have to just trust yourself. Don't be like, well, I'm just going to wing it. Don't ever do that. Instead, check. Do negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. Oh, good. Yeah, that's totally what I had up here. Negative x plus positive 5. Good. So I can actually see that this thing down here is the same thing as that one, just multiplied by negative 1. So if I just throw x minus 5 in there, that gets both of those, except it's missing that negative 1, so we'll just stick a negative 1 in the front. And now this whole thing, which I kind of want to write in pink, I'm sorry, bear with me, x minus 5, and then times negative 1. You can put your negative 1 anywhere. I like it out front. This whole thing makes a really nice LCD. You might be tempted to put x plus 5 in twice, or x minus 5 in twice or something. That's okay. That's not wrong. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's not wrong. And now I'm going to multiply both the bottom and the top of this massive fraction by my LCD. Negative 1, x plus 5, x minus 5. What you do to the bottom, you got to do the top. Negative 1, x plus 5, x minus 5. And then we can distribute. On the bottom, which is going to give me, here we go, this is going to be a long ride, just drop in, 7 times, and then that's going to be negative 1, x plus 5, x minus 5, all over, and I'm just going to rewrite negative x minus 5. If you want to rewrite it that way, you can. I just think this looks nicer. And then it's crooked, and my apologies for that. Plus this thing times that thing, so it's going to be 6 times negative 1, x plus 5, x minus 5, all over. That is really crooked. I am really sorry. I'm not going to rewrite it though. I'm running out of time as it is. There we go. Now we're going to have to double rainbow the top as well. There we go. 1, 2. So the top is going to be 8, negative 1, x plus 5, x minus 5, all over x plus 5, minus, now this part, 4, negative 1, x plus 5, x minus 5. Oh, I'm really cramming it in there. I hate when people do that. All over x plus 5. Alright, I'm sorry. Now we can play the cancel game, because notice on this, just this part here, the bottom left, everything here is multiplied together. And I have an x minus 5 on the bottom and the top. Boom, they cancel. And if you look over here, this same sort of zigzag is going on. Boom, they cancel. And you know what I forgot? There's negative 1 on the bottom and the top. So boom, they cancel. And up here, x plus 5 on the bottom and the top. Boom, they cancel. And right here, x plus 5 on the bottom and the top. Boom, they totally cancel. And that gives me, on the top, negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. I'm just going to rewrite that. Times x minus 5. No denominator left, it's just a 1, and we don't usually write the 1. Minus 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. This would be negative 4. and that's an x minus 5. If you don't believe me, do it out. Actually, even if you do believe me, do it out, because you're not going to get anything from just watching it. Math is not a spectator sport. And right here we have 7 times x plus 5. 7 times x plus 5. And right here we have 6 times negative 1, which is negative 6. Plus a negative is negative there, and then x plus 5. And, whew, this is still pretty ugly. Like, I don't like it. But it's way better than what was happening up there. But we can do more. We can get better than this. And how might we do that? Well, let's play the distribute game. Negative 8 times x is negative 8x. Negative 8 times minus 5 is plus 40. Let's do, here we have a minus, a negative, so let's just turn that into a positive. Here we do 4x minus 20. That's 4x minus 20. Here we're going to do, oh boy, let's draw our bar there. That was messy. 7x plus 35 minus 6x minus 30. Now you're like, oh hey, let's totally cancel those x's. No, don't do that. That makes me angry. You can't do that. You can only cancel things when they're added or not when they're added or subtracted. Only when they're multiplied together. Those x's don't cancel. Those 5's don't cancel. It can't happen. But we can totally combine like terms. Negative 8x and 4x makes negative 4x. 40 minus 20 makes plus 20. 7. Oh, I would check those off. Always check them off when you get them so you don't miss any. 7x minus 6x makes x, and 35 minus 30 makes 5. Then you're like, oh, I'm totally done. No, you're totally not done. And I feel like something's wrong anyways. Oh dear, I made a mistake, didn't I? I can't find it though. We're gonna roll without it. Alright, and now I can factor. When you can factor, you should factor. Factor out negative 4 there. Negative 4 times what makes x? Oh yeah, x. Negative 4x there. And negative 4 times what makes 20? Negative 5. And on the bottom, that's already kind of factored for us. There we go. And I think I made a mistake, in which case you will never see this video because I will delete it, never to be seen again. But if I did make a mistake, well then you'll be seeing it right now because I don't mind showing you if I made a mistake. If I didn't make a mistake. I do mind showing you if I did. Obviously I'm just killing time while I type things in so you don't have to listen to the silence. Hey, well done! I did it! Now it's kind of embarrassing I did all that rambling. But nonetheless, there we go. If they cancel at this stage, then cancel them. They didn't, so we're good. Boom! And so notice how hesitant I was. Oh, I was nervous. Did I make a mistake, didn't I? That's okay. It's okay to be not confident about it. But go ahead, submit the answer. If it's right, cheer yourself on. If you're wrong, that's alright. Try again. Maybe shoot me an email. Oops. Didn't mean to show you that screen. I meant to end the video.